Amazing animals live all over the world, and for wild animals, it's a dangerous life. But many creatures have a hidden ability that helps protect them. They can make themselves disappear. Look closely. Can you spot the moth? Here it is. It was well hidden, wasn't it? That's because of camouflage. Camouflage is when an animal's features or characteristics help it hide. The moth's coloring and pattern make it hard to see. The moth is hidden because it blends in with its surroundings. But sometimes animals can look like something they're not. This lizard looks like part of a branch. And this insect, often called a walking stick, looks a lot like, you guessed it, a stick. Did it fool you? These creatures are cool, but did you know a mammal can be camouflaged too? Unlike insects, mammals have fur or hair. This cheetah has a tan coat with black spots. This pattern helps the cheetah stay hidden in the dry, open grassland where it lives and looks for food. Let's go underwater to see if we can find the mimic octopus. There it is. This octopus can actually change its color to match things around it. It can even change its shape to look like other animals. With these incredible skills, the mimic octopus is a master of disguise no matter where he goes. What kind of animal camouflage would you like to have?